We're going to show you a demonstration on how to replace a parachute handle on an Idaho collection, which is also the same for the Electra and Montana. As you can see, we're going to unscrew these 3 little screws right here to detach the whole panel side panel. We'll flip it over and take this bolt right here, which is holding the mechanism together. We'll have to cut this little portion here and able to get to the parachute. We'll begin by removing the screws. Carefully open the mechanism and able to get to the other one in the back. There it is there, the mechanism is detached. We'll continue removing the screws from the footrest on the mechanism. And we'll lift the mechanism out, push this out. Release that, take this out. We'll continue on removing the 3 bad screws that I first showed you to begin with. And there it is there. Yeah. Those are the two bolts that hold the unit together, the wing and the actual cushion seat. Then we have the actual arm detached from the seat. We'll then remove the actual parachute handle. We'll then replace the damaged parachute handle back, and we'll proceed with doing the following to detach that hole. Once replacing the new parachute handle, we'll then go ahead and assemble it back together the same way we detach it.